So we use the steel buildings for storage, and then we also use them for one of our businesses that we own. We built a big building, basically storage, and we repair vehicles and stuff inside it. The 40 by 30 buildings take us approximately 2 weeks to do from start to finish. That's digging a footer, putting the concrete slabs in and erecting them. Olympia Steel is very easy to work with. Basically just call in, you'll speak to one of their people there, and they're very knowledgeable in their product. We actually had a building get damaged during delivery through us. We actually delivered it ourselves. We called in, spoke with Vic. Within 2 days, we had all the parts we needed and we were right back up and running. So we basically didn't miss any days. The sell and purchase process was actually easy. Spoke to them on the phone, went down to their facility, looked at it. It's kind of more like a touch and feel thing. They are based out of Pittsburgh, which makes it easy versus one of these places that are out of state. If you have a problem, you can call them and actually go pick the parts up, keep your job moving versus stopping and waiting for them to send it to you or provide them with photos. I actually found them looking through the internet. I was trying to find PA-based companies that do steel buildings. They popped up as Quonset huts. Once I got on the phone with one of their sales teams, we did a little more talking and they explained to me how a Quonset hut works versus the square buildings, and I fell in love with the square buildings, so I went with that. As far as weather goes, the buildings are great. There's 2 ways to do it. You can put the batting in it. If you have a little extra money to spend, I would foam it. Spray foaming it is much better. Just your heat and your cooling bill is peanuts. If anybody's looking for a steel building, yeah, Olympia Steel would be the way to go. They're just easy to work with and the buildings are very easy to put up. They're not hard to do. And the paperwork is easy. For most buildings, that paperwork's really hard to understand and know the pitches and all the stuff that's going on. I love working with Olympia Steel. I've done 3 buildings for myself. The last building we put up was 40 by 100. Very easy process with that. So yeah, I highly recommend them. That's who I would go with again if I was doing another building.